Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix suggested post not loading on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram, and if there is an update, you need to update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open settings, and then you need to go into the app management, and here you need to go into the app list and search for Instagram and clear storage and cache. After you've done that, you simply need to go back and log in your Instagram account. Once you log in, you simply need to check that is your Instagram working properly or not. So you can see that my Instagram is loading, as you can see that. So this is a process by which you can fix Instagram suggested post not loading. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.